very first lesson from my guitar teacher, we learned about the strings. So starting with the bottom, this very thinnest string is string 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then each of these metal parts is called frets. So this is the first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, and so on. And then on top of that, you also have fingering. So I might say, play the first string, first fret. So I would put my finger right here, really close to where the metal part of the guitar is, right here, this fret, and strum the first string. Okay, someone said third finger, fifth fret. I would put my third finger, because the fingers go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So fourth finger on the fifth fret looks like this, and then strumming the fifth string. One more example would be second finger, fourth fret, so that would be right here. And the fourth string, sounds like that. Now, another really important thing that I've kind of had to figure out the last few days is that you have to be really precise with where on your fingers you are pressing. So I'm not sure if you can kind of see the lines from the strings where I have been pressing, but it's really important to have like the very top of your finger. Otherwise, when you have a trickier chord, which I think C is tricky, your fingers might press down and it might sound funny, but if you kind of just shift your hand a little bit, it sounds a lot better because your fingers aren't kind of mashing down the other strings. So this has been a little bit tricky because it's a little bit uncomfortable to play on the very tops of your fingers, especially if you aren't used to it, but I think it's just something that you kind of get used to. E minor, that sounded pretty good. A minor, it's pretty similar to C. D. I think I got this one right. 4 strings, I think. Look. Not wrong strings. E chord. Trickiest fingering. Then E minor. This one's my favorite. We have